Okay guys, so it's late at night, but I am so excited because some of my crops, of course I'm in the zone 7B, which is Washington DC, and right now I can say I have my herbs that is continuously to grow, and I need to harvest some of my herbs. And I see some grass. I gotta get some of these grass out. Look, I'm over here doing, I don't know what's grass and what is not grass. And some of these are grass. So it's about that time of year where I have to start my crops again. And it's gonna be popping. Okay, let's see what happened here. This is supposed to be over here, and it seems like the wind. So I'm in my greenhouse, and it's pretty warm in here, but it's like 30 degrees outside, but it's pretty warm in the greenhouse. It's pretty warm in the greenhouse. Over here, my celery. This is my celery, and I'm going to harvest this sucker in the morning and have myself a nice raw juice with this celery. Oh my God, this is gonna be awesome. I might just eat this part when I get in the house. I might just eat this part. But this is my celery. I tried to grow the celery and it was successful. So I'm going to drop some more of the celery, and I'm going to juice this one tomorrow morning. There's more over here. However, I have some herbs over here. Lemon balm. That's over here. I got strawberry. I got this is lime, kiwi lime coming back in. This right here is a lime tree over here. This is an orange tree over here. This is fig. So I'm seeing baby figs over there in the greenhouse. I am excited for that. I have sage, and then I have strawberry over there. Blueberry, seem like the tree is coming back. I'm gonna have to drop that blueberry tree on the ground so it can find itself a position, because these are the trees that I will get out of the greenhouse in the winter time, in the summertime, and put them on the outside. But they are been doing good, so I'm gonna drop some spinach so I can start my spinach. And I need some more tea, so I might as well pick some herbs tonight so I can get some tea to drink in the morning. And this is what's happening. This is what's happening. And my lavender, oh my God, this is lavender over here. I don't know how the lavender, and then, so, you know, I'm about to put some stuff in the greenhouse so it can start harvesting, and it can do what it does. Yes. And like I said, it's a 200 square feet greenhouse, and I'm gonna tell you, I have the chair over here and I took it out, but I'm gonna put the chair back in here. But as you can see, this right here has saved the greenhouse. So I put this up and then I lock it in at the bottom, and it keeps in here warm along with the rest of the stuff that I built inside this greenhouse. This was amazing this year. It's like a total amazing project that was done, and yeah, it worked. But I need to come in here, and for some reason it just keeps doing whatever it wants to do. All right, so let me get out of here. But this is the greenhouse part, and that celery is ready to eat. I'm gonna make me some tea with some celery leaf and some lemon balm for the night. I don't know, do I have enough lemon balm? And I see mint. Let me get some mint also. Got some mint. Isn't that mint? The mint tree. Let me get some more lemon balm then. Get some more lemon balm. The lemon balm smells so good. And lemon balm is really good for you guys. All right, so my fig tree was successful through the winter, and they're growing. Oh my God, I'm gonna enjoy the, oh gosh, every last one of the fig tree is, look at this, look at that. I'm gonna have fig in a minute, and then have more trees gonna be sprouting up. I'm gonna drop the tomato and some more stuff, and that's gonna be the greenhouse. So let me get out of here, and yep, the greenhouse is doing great.